Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about artificial intelligence, which has been introduced as a skill course in class 8th from this academic year. Let's first discuss the syllabus of artificial intelligence for class 8th. So in class 8th, we have only first unit, that is Introduction to AI. And in this unit, we have 5 subunits, or we can say 5 modules. First one is Excite, second Relate, third Purpose, fourth Possibilities, and fifth AI Ethics. So only first unit or these 5 modules will be taught in class 8th. So what is artificial intelligence? See, artificial intelligence is made up of two terms, artificial and intelligence. Artificial means something which is man-made, or we can say not natural. And intelligence means ability to think, to learn, understand and solve the problem. So artificial intelligence means something which is intelligent but not naturally. No, human beings are making it intelligent. For example, if there is a machine and we are giving human intelligence to the machine, how to give human intelligence to the machine? Maybe by feeding the data, by algorithm or some programming, we are giving human intelligence to the machine. Then that machine is now artificially intelligent. So artificial intelligence is the ability of the machine or computer programs to carry out tasks that requires human beings to use their intelligence. So if there is a task in which human beings have to use their intelligence, that same intelligence we are giving to machine. And now that machine is performing that task. So basically what we have done, we have made machines to behave like humans, to take decision like humans. John McCarthy is known as the father of artificial intelligence. He was the one who coined the term artificial intelligence in 1955. Let's see a few examples of AI around us. You must have seen Amazon's Alexa. Is it related to AI? Yes, it is a very good example of AI. See, what we have done in Amazon's Alexa, we have fed a lot of data on it. And if someone asks Alexa to play a song or to tell some information, so based on the data, whatever is fed to it, it will search the net and it will give the output. So it shows how AI works. Another example of AI around us is Google Assistants. You must have seen this in your smartphone. So whenever we ask Google play me a song or Google tell me today's weather, so what we are doing, we are taking the help of all the data that Google has to get the required response. Okay. If we are asking something to the Google Assistants and if that information is there in its Google database, so it will give the required output. But if that information is not there in its database, then it will say, I didn't get any match. So this is also a very good example of AI. Another example is video games. See, video games are nothing but an application of AI. So in video games, especially in shooting games, what happens when we try to shoot the opponent? It will try to hide or it will shoot back to you. So how he knows that you are going to shoot him? Right? So it is because we have fed the data that when you find that a gun is pointing towards you, you have to respond like that. So we have incorporated that intelligence into the system through intelligent programming. Another example is self-driven cars. See, it has already evolved in developed countries, but in India it is in the entry stage. So how these cars works? So what we have done, all the information is already fed in the cars and the cars follows the programming. So what we have done, we have made the machines, the cars artificially intelligent by feeding all the information, all the programming, all the computation, and we have made it artificially intelligent. So like this, we have so many examples of AI around us, and I hope you all have understood the concept of AI. Thank you.